Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. We're going to install the Carbine CEL 3-in-1 digital lever lock available from Dr. Lock shop. Okay, step 1. Remove the current lock from your door. Step 2. Remove the latch. Step 3. Unbox. Step 4. Identify the center of your hole. So I push it across to 70 and I can tell that that is now in the center of the hole. So we're going to be doing a 70mm back set install. Step 5. Setting your latch. Currently it's at 60. If I pull it, now it's at 70. This is the center of the hole. Step 6. Install the latch. Step 7. Install the front. Step 8. Install the backing plate. Step 11. Attach the cable. Step 12. Attach the back rear body to the plate. Step 13. Insert the batteries. Step 14. Program your user codes. And that's it.